Get ready for some amazing deals on Xtrema's pure ceramic cookware this holiday season. The Xtrema holiday sale is in full swing, offering discounts up to 25% off site-wide. You can save even more with an extra 10% off orders over $275 and 15% off orders over $350. But don't wait to shop because inventory is running low on many popular items. Links to all the Xtrema discounts are in the description. The Xtrema Signature Series set is now on sale for $442.39, down from $552.99. That's a sweet $110.60 discount, saving you 20% off the original price. This 9-piece set has everything you need to whip up delicious meals. You'll get a 9-inch skillet, 3 saucepans with lids, and 2 organic cotton handle pot holders. The pure ceramic construction means no nasty chemicals leaching into your food, just clean, healthy cooking. If you're looking for a versatile cookware set that's both healthy and durable, then the Xtrema 12-piece Versa set might be just what you need. Originally priced at $602.99, it's now on sale for $482.39, saving you 20%. This comprehensive set includes 3 stock pots with lids, a 10-inch Versa pan with lid, and a 4-piece tan pot holder set. The star of the show is the Versa pan, perfect for frying, searing, sautéing, and more. You'll love how it handles various cooking techniques with ease. Made from 100% pure ceramic, these pots and pans are completely non-toxic and free from harmful chemicals like PFOA and PTFE. Your food stays clean and safe, with no worries about metal leaching or unwanted toxins. Plus, the ceramic construction offers excellent heat retention and even cooking, making your culinary creations turn out just right. If you want to upgrade your kitchen with high-quality, non-toxic cookware, then the Xtrema 5-piece starter set is a great option, especially because it's now on sale for $178.39, down from its original price of $222.99. That's a savings of $44.60 or 20%. This handcrafted set is the perfect foundation for any kitchen. You'll get a versatile collection of pure ceramic cookware that's completely free from metals and toxins. The set includes essential pieces to cover most of your cooking needs. Cleaning up is a snap with Xtrema Cookware. The smooth ceramic surface is naturally non-stick, so food releases easily. Plus, these pieces are dishwasher safe for added convenience. By choosing this 5-piece set, you're not just getting great cookware, you're investing in your health and the environment. Xtrema's production process is eco-friendly and the products are built to last, reducing waste in the long run. The Xtrema 10-inch Versa pan is now on sale for $152.24, down from its original price of $202.99. You'll save $50.75, which is a 25% discount on this versatile ceramic cookware piece. The 10-inch size is ideal for most cooking tasks. It's large enough to prepare meals for a small family, but not so big that it's unwieldy. The low rim design makes it easy to flip foods, while the lightweight construction ensures you won't strain your wrists when handling it. Heat distribution is a standout feature of this pan. The ceramic material heats evenly and retains temperature well, helping you achieve consistent cooking results. Looking for the perfect addition to your kitchen this holiday season? The Xtrema 7.5 Quart Classic Oval Dutch Oven is now on sale for $262.49, down from its original price of $349.99. That's a whopping 25% discount. This Dutch oven is more than just a cooking pot. It's a versatile powerhouse that'll become your go-to for family feasts and batch cooking. Its 7.5 quart capacity is ideal for whipping up hearty stews, roasting meats, or baking artisanal bread. The oval shape ensures even heat distribution, allowing you to cook your meals to perfection every time. Crafted from 100% pure ceramic, this Dutch oven is completely non-toxic and eco-friendly. You won't find any PFOA, PTFE, or metal cores here, just natural, safe materials that won't leach harmful chemicals into your food. The Xtrema 8.5-inch square cake pan is now on sale for $74.39, down from its original price of $92.99. That's a sweet savings of $18.60 or 20%. This versatile pan is perfect for whipping up your favorite cakes, brownies, or savory dishes. Its pure ceramic construction ensures even heat distribution, so you can say goodbye to those frustrating hot spots. Plus, it's completely non-toxic and free from harmful chemicals like PFOA and PTFE. If you're looking for a versatile saucepan that's both stylish and functional, then the Xtrema 2.5 Quart Tradition saucepan is a great option because it's now on sale for $22.24, down from its original price of $162.99. That's a savings of $40.75 or 25%. This pure ceramic saucepan is a game changer in the kitchen. It's perfect for whipping up sauces, cooking rice, pasta, or grains. The even heating and excellent thermal retention ensure your dishes come out perfectly cooked every time. The scratch-resistant and stain-proof surface means your saucepan will look great for years to come. Its durable, chip-resistant construction makes it a long-lasting addition to your kitchen arsenal. The Xtrema 3.5 Quart VersaPot is a versatile kitchen essential, now available at a fantastic price. Originally priced at $182.99, you can now grab this pot for just $137.24, saving you $45.75 or 25% off the regular price. This pure ceramic stock pot is perfect for your chili cook-offs, seafood boils, and Sunday spaghetti suppers. Its tall, straight sides and short handles make it ideal for cooking, boiling, and baking. The VersaPot's lightweight one-piece construction ensures even heating and excellent thermal retention, allowing you to cook your meals to perfection. You'll love the low rim design, which makes stirring and turning ingredients a breeze. If you want to add a touch of vintage charm to your kitchen, then the Xtrema Retro Tea Kettle might be just what you need. Originally priced at $182.99, it's now on sale for $137.24. That's a savings of $45.75 or 25%. This eye-catching 2.5 quart kettle isn't just about looks. Crafted from 100% pure ceramic, it's completely non-toxic and free from metals or harmful chemicals. You can brew your favorite teas without worrying about any unwanted substances leaching into your drink. The kettle's ceramic construction offers excellent heat retention, keeping your water hot for longer. You're in for a treat with the Xtrema 6-quart rectangular baking dish, now on sale for just $199.99, down from its original price of $249.99. That's a sweet $50 off, giving you a 20% discount on this kitchen essential. This baking dish is a powerhouse of versatility. Its generous 6-quart capacity means you can whip up family-sized lasagnas, casseroles, or even a batch of brownies with ease. The low rim design makes it a breeze to turn and serve your culinary creations. With Xtrema's 10-year warranty and a 30-day trial period, you can bake with confidence. The first replacement is even free if anything goes wrong.